To sense my presence, mankind has searched for me in both image and word. And yet, before I reveal myself, I flow down an inner path of complete purity between feelings and actions. The brand forged its culture in the land where it was born and in the values of its founder, Pierre Fabre, working with care, keeping things simple, and meeting its commitments. In the end, pharmaceutical standards are built on nothing less than precision and authenticity. And so, from the people who design the products to those who recommend them to you, all of them bear their truth. Because quite simply, their well-being depends on yours. By strengthening what is fragile, by soothing your sensitive skin, they gain through my presence the satisfaction of truly achieving their purpose. I am that voice that reassures you you've made the right choice, the one you hear when you listen to your heart. I am sincerity. I am you. I am Eau Thermale Avène.